When visiting someone's home, it is customary to make triangle on toilet paper. It improve poop wipe.
Strange Japan. I had another guest. This is my home. I had another guest come and they left, and wouldn't you know it, there's another triangle on the toilet paper. This way is down. Pull. Oh, sugoi! Wow, I was confused. I've been pulling toilet paper for like 5 decades. I was confused, but the triangle really sorted me out. So, yeah, well done, Japan. So, this is weird. I've had multiple people do this when they visit me. They make triangles on my toilet paper. Not everybody, not all visitors, but some. And it's a real thing in Japan. If you visit someone, I guess they feel obliged to make toilet paper geometry so you can wipe your butt better. I don't know, this is pretty pathetic origami if you ask me. It's not even worth the time. There's nothing aesthetic about this. Maybe they think it's polite or something. Like, oh, so sorry to use your toilet, and my deepest apologies. 1,000 years damage my family name, so I make triangle. Alright, I don't know if that's Japanese or Chinese, but anyway, if you get your home in Japan, maybe you'll have visitors, and maybe they'll make a special triangle for you, just like this.